Hey, on this episode of Our Homes in Alabama, we're doing 321 ribs on the Pit Boss Pro Series smoker, which I love. It's going to be a big day. It's January 1st, 2024. Happy New Year's. Alabama plays Michigan tonight. We got the black-eyed peas on in the house, some spinach, some fried okra. We're doing it right. All right, folks, so today we're cooking with the Cherry Blend by Pit Boss. I've never used the Cherry Blend. However, they had this for $4.90 a bag at Lowe's. And so it's a 20-pound bag. So I was like, man, I'll just try it. So I bought 6 or 7 bags. I hope it's good. We'll let you know how it turns out. All right, guys, we've had the ribs on the smoker at 250 for 3 hours. 321 is the name, so it's 3 hours unwrapped, 2 hours wrapped, and then 1 hour with sauce and just finishing up. So we're finished the 3 hours. We're going to go out to the smoker now and pull them off, put them in foil, put some butter. You can use lemon juice, you can use apple juice. A lot of people use apple juice, but we don't like apple juice on ours. We like lemon juice. We're actually out of lemon juice today, so I'm going to use lime juice, and I think that'll be fine. So y'all come on and let's get started. easiest way to cut ribs, or the best way, is to actually flip them upside down, so you can see the bones, and it helps you to know where to cut. All right, Chase, take a bite of that rib and see what you think.
That's really good.
All right, so you like that 3-2-1 method with that cherry blend pellets? That's the first time we've tried those.
Yes, sir. You should do it like that again.